Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I want to show you how you can convert text and Boolean to numbers in Excel. So here we enter a number. Let me enter number 7, 8, 9, and 6. Now I want to convert this number. You can see it is number here. I want to convert it to a text. Okay, so I can use the text function, and then the number, which is this. So the format of the text, I want 6 zeros format. I will just close this. So you can see it is currently a text. Okay. Now, how do I now convert this to a number, back to a number? So there are various methods I can use. Okay, for example, this is actually A3. I can say A3 multiplied by 1. This method will convert it to number for me. So let me try it. So you can see it converts it to number. Another method is I can just say this A3 plus 0. This also converts it to numbers. Okay, so that when I try adding now, you can see it adds up. Okay, but when I try adding this and this other number, you see an error will be produced. So if I say sum, so there is an error. Okay, so that's just it. For this one now, you can easily use this method. You multiply by 1, which will give you the same number, but this time around it will convert it to a number instead of a text, or you just add 0 so that you have a number returned and exactly the same value. So what if we have Booleans? Let's say here I have true, I have false, and I have true. And we know that true ideally should give us a 1 and false should give us a 0. So how do we get this? So I will use those two methods, either adding a 1 or adding a 0, or multiplying by a 1. So let's start with adding a 0. So I will do true, this A5, add 0. So you can see it gives us 1. This gives us 0, so we can just reduce this. So you can see the true is giving us 1, false is giving us 0, and true is giving us 1. So this is for addition. So let's try for the multiplication. So if I do true multiply by 1, still gives me 1, 0, 1. And that's just it. Okay, you can easily use this approach to convert your text to numbers. Okay, so you can see this text was converted to numbers here, and these Boolean operators have been converted to their number forms. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.